To my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. To this video, guys, off ko ngayon because it's happy Saturday. It's my first time Saturday na day off ako. Wala akong pasok kasi hindi na ako nagtrabaho sa dati kong job. So, normal days na tayong nag-work. So, breakfast muna tayo. So, guys, stay safe everyone. Happy Saturday sa inyong lahat. So, dito sa amin, lockdown pa rin kami. Extended yung lockdown namin until end of the month, August. So, wala kaming magagawa. We can't go anywhere at the moment. So, stay at home. So, kaya tapos na akong naglinis ng tidy up ng konti sa bahay namin. So, tara, mag-lunch tayo natin, guys. Dito sa fridge. May sa fridge natin.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So, yan. Oh, sneak peek sa fridge. Walang laman, guys. Walang laman. Ito na kapag grocery. So, ito na yung ulam ko. Chicken breakfast, see? Ready? Ito naman. Rice is life. So, dami natin ng rice. To be honest, hindi ka naman talaga maboboard kasi daming gawaing bahay kung gagawin mo lang talaga. So, kailangan mo rin magpahinga. Sa amin, nagluto ako ng pork adobo. Dito, kompleto talaga mga gamit, no? And my Bobby's home from Grocerry. Hello, Baba. How's your shopping? Thank you. This is for my hoodie.
1 hour later.
So is there a lot of people there?
Yeah, there's a few people there.
Huh? Ay, wala. So, dito yung may entrance natin. Aray. Yan. Medyo tidy up. Yan na natin muna ilalagay. Dito naman sanang ipamaliti. Paksi! So, by the way, highway. Grocery, guys, kasi hindi naman pwede magdalawa-dalawa kasi dahil sa COVID na so tingnan natin kung anong pinamamili niya, ha? Yes, sale. Here, we got milk. Help me to put that pot away, please. And chicken. How many kilos? 1.6 kilograms, guys. It's like $12. Sobrang mahal. Ano ba yan?
I'm going to do that now.
You need to olive oils.
Put that one over there because I'll do that now.
Okay. And we'll see how much the total that we got. What? $142? Yep. My God. Stop eating. And the rest is onion. We got bacon there. Uncle Toby's. Why again tongs, darling? We have tongs like this.
We don't have tongs.
Yes, we have.
I've been trying to find them.
One chips is like more chips. And this one, all the napkin and panty liners. And the cream, this one for the pina colada.
Yeah.
And 5 clips. No.
And special.
What's this one?
Packet.
Completes. Is that on sale?
Yep. 2 for $3 something special.
Butter. Why you got 2 butter?
Oh, special. Your favorite.
And cheese. See, cheese.
Special, my favorite one.
And we got a lamb.
Yeah, lamb.
Lamb chops here. It's like
And
1 point. How many kilos is this? It's like $17 per kilograms, and it's $19.81 or 1.6. So calculate yun ng piso, guys. Sobrang mahal na mga bilihin dito. One powder milk, Bob?
yeah.
One. Ah, you buy bok choy pero not fresh.
Yeah, because I know you like
The
butter.
bok choy is not fresh. And got biscuits. This is $1 each.
90 cents.
99 cents. So.
90.
And biscuits, typical Australian, like some biscuits every minute, every second, having coffee. And don't forget hand washing.
And special.
Wash your hands regularly because of most especially this pandemic. Powder milk. I said you can buy 2 powder milk.
I didn't know.
And Coke is life. So, pwede naman yung model Coke.
I didn't get cans because we still got some in that one.
It's not much for $140. Is that all, darling?
Yeah.
How many bags is that? 3? 4?
Oh,
4 bags.
5 bags.
5. So that one will last for only 1 fortnight. It's only 1 fortnight. Sad. That's life. Market today, darling. There's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Everyone following the social distancing.
Not really.
Really?
Yeah.
You still?
How many people are driving around?
Hey?
I can't believe how many people are actually driving around.
I can't really understand, said, because it's locked down and some people going for fishing, the whole family.
People should be going fishing.
Yeah, he's washing his hands, guys. You know? Stay safe. Thank you for doing the shopping. Okay? Siya laging nagsha-shopping, guys, because hindi ko alam yung mapagkain niya. At saka, ang sa akin, bibili ko lang yung Filipino food ko, yung pagkain na gusto ko. Kaya, mag-shopping siya kasi bilhin niya yung gusto niya. Mabait na asawa ito. So, he's cutting the chicken, guys. For gonna make a chicken lemon adobo in his own version. So, this is my favorite seat. I'm gonna have my lunch, so I'm gonna sit here and have my lunch. This is my favorite spot. First thing is done, wash the chicken. Just counting the chicken. Next, guys, you're gonna do the lemon. How to do the lemon? How many lemon did you make, darling? How many lemon? All the lemon there. Let the juicy chicken soak with the lemon. And salt. And soy sauce, silver swan. Sprinkle of magic syrup. Lid on and put it in the fridge, and that's for dinner tonight. I'm marinated, guys. All my chicken are in the pot. So yan, na-cook it for how many minutes? After 45 to 1 hour, cook na yung chicken natin. So, yum. Chicken, lemon chicken. Chicken ang galing. It's our dinner, guys.
For 7 of those precious hours, the runway sat empty.
The sunset cutter was just at capacity.
This for my
As
body.
this crisis engulfs
This
Kabul
is
and
for
the Iron
me.
White.
Yum, sweet. Guys, today, nag-order ako online kasi gagamitin ko sa kindi, sa work ko. So, cause my book week kami this week. So,
Because you got our size under it.